The all-new 2025 Nissan Armada marks the third generation of this flagship SUV, boasting fresh styling, a new engine, and the introduction of the off-road-ready Pro 4X trim. Designed as a spacious three-row SUV, it accommodates up to 8 passengers and features increased front-row and third-row legroom, as well as enhanced cargo capacity. Positioned at the top of Nissan's SUV lineup, the Armada offers a step up from the versatile and budget-friendly Pathfinder. Historically, the Armada has been overshadowed by its globally popular sibling, the Nissan Patrol, due to its lack of certain features. Nissan addresses this with the latest model, equipping it with advanced off-road capabilities and technologies tailored for adventurous families. The V8 engine has been retired in favor of a 425-horsepower twin-turbo V6, delivering improved performance. We recently experienced the new Armada during a first drive event. Here's our take. Key updates for 2025. As a fully redesigned model, the 2025 Armada introduces significant changes. Alongside its larger dimensions and the addition of the Pro 4X trim, the SUV now sports a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine, replacing the outgoing V8 and 7-speed automatic transmission. This new engine offers more power and torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission featuring paddle shifters for enhanced control. This extensive revamp positions the Armada as a strong contender against rivals like the Chevy Tahoe and Toyota Sequoia. For those seeking a touch of luxury, the lineup now includes the Platinum Reserve trim, complementing the rugged Pro 4X option. With its updated features, trims, and performance, the 2025 Armada stands as a compelling choice in the full-size SUV segment. One thing that remains constant in the 2025 Nissan Armada is its bold and commanding styling. The front end is adorned with plenty of chrome, complemented by a floating roof design and an LED light strip spanning the full width of the tailgate. The Pro 4X trim introduces a unique off-road aesthetic, featuring redesigned front and rear bumpers that enhance its approach and departure angles. Wheel options include a striking 22-inch design, while the rear wiper is now discreetly tucked away for a cleaner look. Despite its updated modern appearance, the Armada retains its unmistakable and imposing presence. Interior: spacious and luxurious. The Armada comfortably seats up to 8 passengers across 3 rows, or 7 if you opt for the available second-row captain's chairs. This full-size SUV offers ample space, with a rear row that can easily accommodate 3 adults. The Platinum Reserve trim elevates the experience with quilted leather upholstery, 12-way power-adjustable front seats that are heated, ventilated, and equipped with a massage function. Whether you're embarking on a family road trip or waiting at soccer practice, the Armada's interior blends practicality with upscale comfort. Infotainment: dual-screen excellence. The Armada comes equipped with a robust infotainment system, starting with a 12.3-inch touchscreen and a 12-speaker Klipsch audio system on all but the base SV trim. Standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration ensure seamless smartphone connectivity, while 6 USB-C ports keep devices charged. Higher trims step up the tech game with a larger 14.3-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity, and a wireless charging pad. The intuitive interface and generous screen size make the system easy to use, while audiophiles will appreciate the rich sound of the Klipsch system, tailored specifically for the Armada. Powertrain: a powerful upgrade. The previous V8 engine and 7-speed automatic transmission have been replaced with a more advanced twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 paired with a 9-speed automatic. While this might sound like a downgrade, the numbers tell a different story. The new engine delivers an impressive 425 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque, surpassing the outgoing V8. Buyers can choose between rear-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive across all trims, except for the Pro 4X, which comes exclusively with 4-wheel drive. Compared to the prior generation of the Armada, performance is noticeably stronger. Acceleration up to highway speeds is not a challenge with the new transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery even with a heavy foot on the gas. This is not a small vehicle, but it is easily able to get out of its own way. Ride and handling: road trip ready. The ride is smooth and quiet, even in the off-road Pro 4X. especially when equipped with the new air suspension on the top two trims. This is a well-mannered SUV despite its size. It's easy to carry on a conversation, even with those in the third row, and road and wind noise are not intrusive. It's an ideal choice for those family road trips. Pro 4X trim, when you want to get dirty. This new trim is designed for off-road performance. It features an electronic locking rear differential, air suspension, 2-inch wheels, all-terrain tires, metal skid plates, and better approach and departure angles. There's also 9.6 inches of ground clearance and a choice of 8 drive modes to handle every kind of terrain. We're looking forward to the opportunity to test the Pro 4X in its natural habitat as the kit and specs seem promising. Verdict and pricing. A well-priced lineup for every family. Available in a choice of 4 rear-wheel drive trims. Pricing ranges from $56,520 to $76,990, not including $2,010 destination. Buyers can add 4-wheel drive to any trim for an additional $3,000. The 4-wheel drive only Pro 4X is priced at $73,740. This could be a challenge for modest budgets, especially at the top of the range, but is still good value for the wide range of amenities included at that level. The 2025 Nissan Armada takes what was a somewhat dated SUV and makes it more competitive. It looks more modern and has more features, along with boasting a roomy and comfortable interior perfect for family life. The new Platinum Reserve delivers a true premium experience, while the Pro 4X gives off-road enthusiasts their own option. It's a fully featured SUV with something for every family. Performance of the 2025 Nissan Armada. The 2025 Nissan Armada brings a significant performance upgrade, aimed at delivering both power and efficiency while maintaining the capability expected of a full-size SUV. The most notable change is a replacement of the previous V8 engine with a state-of-the-art twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6. This new powertrain produces an impressive 425 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque, exceeding the output of the old V8. Paired with a smooth and responsive 9-speed automatic transmission, the Armada offers improved acceleration and towing capacity while enhancing overall driving dynamics. Towing and capability. The 2025 Armada is built for those who demand robust capability. With its new powertrain, it boasts a towing capacity of up to 8,500 pounds, making it a versatile choice for hauling trailers, boats, or other recreational gear. Advanced towing features, such as trailer sway control and a tow/haul mode, ensure confident handling during heavy-duty tasks. Drivetrain options. The Armada offers both rear-wheel drive, RWD, and 4-wheel drive, 4WD, configurations, catering to different driving needs and preferences. The off-road focused Pro 4X trim is exclusively 4WD, equipped with features like an electronic locking rear differential, skid plates, and hill descent control, making it ready.